Hello everyone, today we are going to do 6.7 page number 189 haloalkane haloarene exercise question. So let's start. The question is, write the equation for the preparation of 1 iodobutane from 1 butanol, 1 chlorobutane and but1ene. That means you have to prepare the same thing from all these three compounds. So what all reagents you're going to use? This is the question. So let's start with the first one. 1 butanol, that means you have to write 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and OH group with it. So what you will react, this is the actual question, so that you get 1, 2, 3, 4 and iodine. Hydrogen I am not writing. So if you want I can write, no problem, CS3, CS2, but it's just a waste of time. But in exam you are supposed to write it. I am just helping you to understand the question. Okay. I'll show you the sample answer also, but you have to just understand the trick behind it. Now, if you see, we need iodine from alcohol. So if you see, this question is from MOP of haloalkane, where the first method was from alcohol. We have used many reagents to prepare alcohol. The first one was Lucas reagent. Now remember, here we are using iodine, so the hydrogen halide you will use here is Hi, so that I can replace OH, and that will happen in presence of ZnCl2, and together we call it as Lucas reagent, where what is the job of ZnCl2 here is it acting like a catalyst. So what will happen, I will go and replace OH, and this OH will go with H and H2O will come out from here. So first over. Second one is 1 chlorobutane. So again 1, 2, 3, 4 and chlorine. I am not drawing hydrogen, you can draw it yourself. Again what you will use here as a question mark, so that you get 1, 2, 3, 4 and iodine. Now if you see, it is a haloalkane. This is also a haloalkane. A haloalkane is used to make a haloalkane. Do you remember why do we use a halogen exchange reaction? Because iodine and fluorine, these haloalkanes are not prepared normally. We use specific reaction. Remember, for iodine, I gave you a trick of Ferrari. That means Finkelstein reaction we will use here. It's a name reaction. What do we use for Finkelstein reaction? NaI in presence of dry acetone, right? So what will happen here? Na will go with Cl and I will go with this, and you will get your product. So third also over. Now the third one, but1ene. 1, 2, 3, 4. First position we have a double bond here. Now what you will do with this, so that you get the C and I. Now how to do this? Remember, haloalkane is attached at the first position where there is a alkene. Now if you see, this alkene is an unsymmetrical alkene. Here side 3 carbon, here side 1 carbon. So when unsymmetrical alkene is there, either you have to apply Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov. Markovnikov you will apply when iodine was given in the second position, but iodine is given in the first position, so you will apply here anti-Markovnikov rule, but you have to apply two-step reaction here. Anti-Markovnikov only happens when there is peroxide presence, H2O2 or any peroxide, in presence of HBr. Now if you use HBr here, you will get bromine at this position. So you will get like this, bromine. But do we require bromine? No. So now again, to convert bromine to iodine, we'll take the help of Finkelstein reaction. Again, we'll use here NaI. Same reaction as we did in second. So I gave you a gist what we'll do in this all this reaction. Let me show you the whole reaction systematically, how you will write in exam. So if you see, this is 1 butanol, here 1 CS2 is extra needed. They have not written. We have to look for the answers properly. 1 CS3, CS3. So if you see here, HI and ZnCl2 we have used. That means it is a Lucas reagent. Okay. So 1 iodobutane. Next, chlorobutane, 1 chlorine is replaced with iodine in presence of diacetone. Again, it is a Finkelstein reaction. If you can see, CS3, CS2, CS2 is made. Next, butene, if you see, double bond is over here. First, we use HBr because for anti-Markovnikov rule, this is compulsory. We cannot use HI plus peroxide. Okay. HBr and peroxide necessary presence should be there for anti-Markovnikov rule. So what will happen? Negative part will go to that carbon which has more number of hydrogen. So Br has gone here, but the answer does not want Br, answer want I. So again, a haloalkane need to convert into another haloalkane. We need NaI and diacetone, which is again a Finkelstein reaction. So I hope you understood. Thank you.